What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making a Bob's Burgers burger, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by cooking our lentils. You're just going to simmer the lentils for 15 to 20 minutes until they're soft but not like mushy. While that's happening, preheat your oven to 350, and we're going to form our burger patties, season them on both sides with salt and pepper, and then cook them for 20 minutes in the oven or until they reach an internal temperature of 160. We're going to dice up our celery, our Serrano peppers. We're going to dice up our onions, and then we're going to dice up our bell peppers. And after all of those are diced up, we're going to cook them in a skillet. So you're just going to cook them on medium-high heat with minced garlic until they're like fragrant but not super soft, so about like 5 minutes. And then once you're done cooking those, we're going to take those off of the oven, but just make sure that you combine everything thoroughly. Once the burgers are done, they'll look like this. And then we're going to take our lentils that are drained and we're going to add in our veggies that we just cooked, our honey and minced garlic, and then mix all of that together until it's thoroughly combined. I'm out of breath. Once all of it is combined together, we're going to create our burger. So we're going to take our goat cheese. I did the garlic and herb goat cheese, but you could just do regular if you want. Some spinach. We're going to add our burger patty, and then we're going to add our mixture of the lentils on top. This was really good. Honestly, shout out to the creators of the Bob's Burgers cookbook because this was phenomenal. The only thing I will say is that it was super, super messy to eat, but completely worth it. And then the pretzel buns that I used with it, I've found out that pretzel buns are my favorite. Anyways, if you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.